Here we have a problem from June 2019. It is question 13, paper 2. It is statistic problem. You read the information that you are given there. Try to solve the problem yourself, find the solution, and once you're done, you can compare my solution. Okay, so the problem here is about the spending boys and girls during a week. They are the spending of the boy of 40 boys are in this table. They are put in class interval in 4 class intervals. And what we have to do to find the mean expenditure for boys, and then the mean for the girls expenditure is given. So you have to find the percentage of the expenditure of girls, mean of the expenditure of girls, to the mean of the boys. So the percentage of that. So here is how we are gonna do it. First of all, so what we need to do is to find the mean expenditure for the boy during the week. Or a month. Oh, okay, it's a month, not a week. Excuse me. So first, for each class interval, we're gonna need the midpoint. For each of the cluster, we need midpoint. So in our situation, we have the midpoints are for the first is 10, for the second is 30, for third is 50, and for the last one is 70. Then after you have that, we need to calculate the product between the frequency for each class in frequency and the midpoint, the product. So that's what we do here. So we'll find how much those products are. So we first multiply 22 times 10, and then we multiply 9 times 30, 6 times 50, and 3 times 70, and we get 220, 270, 300, 210. Now we know that the mean value of the boy for the boy of the expenditure, we talked about expenditure, so the mean value, it's adding this values in this column, all of them, that is 220, 270, 300, 210, and divide by the sum of this. So the formula is the mean for the boys. It's equal to sum of f of x, f times x over sum of f frequencies. And then we have that if you add this is 1,000, and the frequency, sum of the frequencies is 40. So in the end, we have 25% pounds. That's the mean expenditure for the boy in a month. Now, I put in a formula F stands for frequency, X stands for midpoint. Okay, now percentage expenditure of the girl to the boy is 35 over 25 times 100, and that's gonna give us 140%. So the answer for this question is 140%, and that's all you have to do for 5 marked, very, very well marked. So when we have a problem like this, first you need to find the midpoints of the class interval. Secondly, you have to find the products for each of the class interval between the midpoint and frequency, between frequency and midpoint, and put it here. And then what is in this column or last column, you add them up. What you get, you divide by sum of the frequencies, which is you can find it or it's given to you, and that's all you have to do. Okay, if you have any question related to this problem, just ask away, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.